Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make creamy Yippee noodles. This easy method is perfect for a quick and delicious meal. First, gather your ingredients. 1 packet of Yippee noodles, about 1/2 cup of milk, 1 slice of cheese, and a small knob of butter. You'll also need a small saucepan and a stirring spoon. This simple recipe comes together in just a few minutes, offering a wonderfully rich and satisfying experience. Now let's get cooking. Start by boiling about 1 cup of water in your small saucepan over medium heat. Once the water is bubbling, carefully add your Yippee noodles. Cook them for approximately 2 minutes, stirring gently to separate the strands. This initial cooking step ensures the noodles are perfectly tender before we add our creamy elements. Keep an eye on them to avoid overcooking. This is where the magic happens. After 2 minutes, drain most of the water, leaving just about 2 tablespoons in the pan. Now, add approximately 1/2 cup of milk, your 1 slice of cheese, and a small knob of butter. Stir continuously over low heat. The cheese will melt, and the sauce will thicken into a wonderfully creamy consistency. This step takes about 1 to 2 minutes, transforming your noodles. Almost there. Continue to cook for another 30 seconds, ensuring the rich, creamy sauce fully coats every noodle strand. Once it reaches your desired thickness, remove the pan from the heat. Immediately transfer your delicious creamy Yippee noodles to a serving bowl. You can garnish with some fresh herbs or a pinch of chili flakes for an extra kick. Enjoy your incredibly easy and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.